Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. Of course, I want to give you guys an update what is happening with the crypto market today, and of course Bitcoin. There is in fact a fair few Bitcoin charts that I do in fact want to show you guys for today's video, showing us and indicating that we will soon enough see Bitcoin reaching back up to $70,000 and over $70,000. We know a couple months back we saw Bitcoin reaching its new high, its recent new all-time high of over $73,000. And I'm here to tell you guys, right? Soon enough, we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching back up to its recent all-time highs and reaching a new high. That's gonna happen very, very soon. And of course, guys, okay, I want to talk about the bull run because understand a bull run is coming very, very soon. Okay, for Bitcoin and crypto in general, right? A lot of these altcoins will pump. Okay, we know alt season is obviously right around the corner as well. So understand pretty much the entire cryptocurrency market will pump like crazy very, very soon. A bull run is in fact coming. So that is exactly what I want to talk about for today's video. There is in fact a fair few Bitcoin charts showing you guys, okay, that we are in fact about to enter a massive bull run. Okay, and understand, guys, the bull run hasn't even started just yet, right? Like the real bull run has not started just yet, guys. Okay, and we know already, like Bitcoin has obviously been pumping for the past like few months, even throughout last year in 2023. It's been pumping, it's been forming a uptrend, right? It's been gaining more momentum, right? More steam. So everything's looking up for Bitcoin. Okay, but let me just show you guys what's happening with Bitcoin. But first, let me show you guys this because it's actually pretty interesting. And yes, soon enough, Bitcoin's gonna reach back up to $70,000 and over $70,000. So it says here Bitcoin price loses steam, but futures markets forecast upside above 70K, right? So yes, Bitcoin is possibly on the road to $70,000 very, very soon, guys. Okay, even though yes, we could potentially, right, see Bitcoin having more corrections down to the downside. It's very, very possible. Okay, we could potentially see a Bitcoin crash, but I'm saying is right now, when a Bitcoin crash does in fact form, this is going to be the last crash, and then we're going to see Bitcoin forming a breakout, okay, and reaching back up to its recent all-time highs above 70K and over $73,000, its recent all-time highs and a new high, right? So that's going to happen, guys, okay, potentially, right? So yeah, it's possible that we could potentially see a crash for Bitcoin. Okay, it happens, guys, right? It really, really does. But then right after that, we're going to see a massive pump because we know a bull run is coming. So this is what Bitcoin is doing right now. So a couple of days ago, right, we remember we saw Bitcoin reaching back up to $63,000, over $63,000. Okay, we are in fact in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and the 13th of May, okay, so about 2 days ago, we saw Bitcoin pumping, right? Because it was in fact consolidating at this level, right? It was already at $63,000, but then it had a correction and then it was consolidating and then it pumped back up to that level. And this is what Bitcoin is doing right now, right? Guys can just clearly see it's slightly going down, right? You guys can just clearly see that, right? We are in fact in the 1 hour time frame, so you guys can just clearly see for the past few hours, Bitcoin is in fact having a slight drop, but it's still above 60K, right? So right now, Bitcoin holding strong, 61,600. Okay, so in my opinion, okay, today, yes, it's slightly down, but nothing too crazy, right? And the market today is slightly down as well. You guys can just clearly see 2.2%, right? The entire market is down. The global crypto market cap is now back down at 2.24 trillion. I think a couple of days ago we saw it at 2.3 trillion. But yeah, it is in fact a red day today, right? But even though yes, a lot of these altcoins, including Bitcoin, are in fact down, 2%, over 2%, right? 3%, 4%, 5%. Um, it's nothing too crazy, right? Even though, yes, the market is slightly down today, but you guys can just clearly see nothing too crazy at all, right? Everything is not really moving today, right? In fact, a fair few altcoins are in fact actually down today, right? For the past 24 hours, you guys can just clearly see that, okay? So, I told you guys many times, right now is the most crucial time to buy into a lot of these crypto, coins, right? Because the real bull run, like I said, guys, okay, the real bull run hasn't even started just yet. So understand these prices for a lot of these altcoins, including Bitcoin, are still cheap. A lot of these altcoins haven't even reached back up to its all-time highs. And I told you guys many times, majority of these altcoins will reach back up to its all-time highs and reach a new high, right? I'm not saying all these altcoins will do that, but obviously majority of them will do that, right? So there's a lot of room here to make money, right, in the next upcoming bull run, right? There really is. So that's that. But I think right now is the most crucial time to accumulate as much as you possibly can. But yes, let's get into these Bitcoin charts, because there is in fact a fair few Bitcoin charts that I want to show you guys for today's video, starting off with this one. So it says here Bitcoin, and it's showing us, right, Bitcoin displaying a cup and handle reversal pattern on a weekly chart. And you guys can clearly see the breakout will be explosive and will send it to a cycle top. Okay, so you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is in fact forming a cup and handle reversal pattern on the weekly chart. Right now, I don't know if this is bullish, but it seems pretty bullish, because we have seen Bitcoin forming this a fair few times, and we do usually see a breakout. Even right here with the handle, I talked about this a fair bit for my past few videos, where we actually see Bitcoin forming a bull flag. Now, usually when we see a bull flag, that's usually indicates we're going to see a breakout, just like I showed you guys in yesterday's video. So if you guys haven't seen yesterday's video, you should definitely check it out. But yeah, Bitcoin, okay, looks like it's ready for a bounce up to the upside. Yeah, I can just clearly see that, bounce back up to $70,000 and a new high, okay, and higher, right? So we will see, but so far it's looking pretty good. But yes, Bitcoin retracement is completed in my opinion. Next we will see a bullish trend continuation. Now we know Bitcoin has in fact been forming this beautiful uptrend, right, ever since early 2023, ever since January 2023 to where we are right now, May 2024. Bitcoin has in fact been forming this amazing uptrend, and it's going to continue, right? It will continue, guys. Understand that it's not going to stop right here, right? This is going to be a fake out / shakeout, and then it's going to pump, right? Understand that, guys. And we already had the Bitcoin halving event, and we know, guys, right, every single time we have the Bitcoin halving event, okay, right after it, that's where the real pump begins, okay, and that's when the real bull run begins for Bitcoin. And we're going to get to that, right? There's a Bitcoin chart that I know if I want to show you guys. But yes, you guys just clearly see we already reached the bottom of $15,000, okay, in November 2022, right? Even throughout December as well, right? We saw Bitcoin reaching a bottom of $15,000, okay, and then it pumped, right? You guys just clearly see ever since that, it just gained back its momentum. It started pumping and creating new highs and whatnot. Well, not new highs, but yeah, I can just clearly see it was in fact forming this beautiful uptrend. It just kept going up, right? And it's gonna continue. Okay, so that's that. Look, it's looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin, right? It's still holding strong. It's still on track. Okay, it really is. So yes, you guys can clearly see the real bull run has not even started just yet. Okay, we haven't even seen Bitcoin at its peak yet, at its cycle top. Now, a couple of days ago, I talked about Bitcoin reaching a cycle top, so most likely the cycle top will be November of next year, 2025, potentially, right? Sometime towards the end of that year in 2025. So, end of that year in 2025, that's where we most likely will see the cycle top. And that's when you pretty much want to, get out, right? Take money off the table. Okay, that's if you guys really need that money. But I told you guys, if you don't really need that money, continue to hold your Bitcoins, especially Bitcoin. But for altcoins, take some money off the table, right? But for Bitcoin, you should really think long term with Bitcoin. But with altcoins that you guys are in fact accumulating, really take your profits. Okay, press that sell button. You don't want to be too greedy. Okay, so that's that. Right, the real bull run has not even started just yet, guys. And understand, Bitcoin has been pumping for the past few months, even throughout last year in 2023. Like I said, it's been pumping. Right, a lot of people are in fact greedy. If you actually look at the FinGreed index, it's showing greed mode, right? But the thing is, the real bull run hasn't even started just yet, guys. So understand, it's going to get even crazier. Okay, and all these big buyers, all these institutions coming in, new money will be, a lot of new money, billions of dollars will be flowing into Bitcoin. Not even billions, trillions, right? So that's that, guys. Okay, a massive bull run is coming, and this next bull run is going to be completely different compared to all these other bull runs that we have in fact been seeing for Bitcoin. This one that's coming up is going to be completely different. So prepare yourselves for that, because new money is coming into Bitcoin, right? But yes, last Bitcoin chart that I want to show you guys for today's video. Okay, Bitcoin market, okay, bull market stays on track, and that's very, very true. You guys can just clearly see. Okay, it's very, very simple. Okay, just look at this chart. Look at this Bitcoin chart, right? Every single time we have the Bitcoin halving event, right after it, it pumps. Okay, and yes, it doesn't pump straight away. We know that, right? It takes, a couple months. It could take, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, even 8 months, right? Till we actually see the bull run. So understand, guys, back 2013, okay, it pumped, right? You can just clearly see that. We had the halving and then it pumped, right? And then 2017, same thing, it pumped, right? I felt like in 2017, that's when a lot of people started to get into Bitcoin, right? But yeah, 2017 was an amazing year. And then of course, 2021, okay, it pumped. And of course, it's going to happen again for 2025, right? It's always a cycle here, guys. Okay, we enter, okay, a bull market, and then we enter a bear market, and then it repeats. Okay, we enter, a bull run, and then we enter the next, bear market, and that's when it goes down, right? It's always the same cycle. It's pretty much a 4-year cycle, because every 4 years we have the Bitcoin halving event, right? So I would say this is obviously a 4-year cycle. So understand next year, 2025, is in fact going to be an amazing year for Bitcoin and crypto overall, right? Because it's not just going to be Bitcoin pumping, it's also going to be altcoins, right? So that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Understand, okay, since Bitcoin is not moving, it's sort of boring right now. Okay, I understand that, right? Bitcoin's not really moving, but right now it's the most crucial time to buy as much as you possibly can to accumulate, to most importantly, DCA. All right, no financial advice, always doing research, but that's that, guys. Okay, continue to hold your Bitcoins, buy more, of course. DCA, this is the most crucial time right now. Soon enough, Bitcoin's going to reach 100K, right? So while it's still below 100K, buy more, right? Because this is literally a once in a lifetime opportunity. We don't have very long now, right, for us to see Bitcoin at $60,000 and above, right? Soon enough, it's going to be way higher. So understand this is the most crucial time right now to buy as much as you possibly can. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. More videos will obviously be coming your way, so stay tuned for that. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.